What's up, tubers? Like my new hat, my FJ hat, FJ Cruiser hat. So here's a quick review. On the back it says Cruiser. Just kidding. This is DryJoys. This is from FJ, as in FitJoy, the golf company. It's well made. It's got the nice stitching on the inside. It's got the nice clasp in the back. It's not a trucker's hat. Paid about 25 bucks delivered on eBay. They're on Amazon. They're all over the place. But I think it's a pretty cool, nice fitting. I like the way it fits. Hat. So if you're an FJ Cruiser person and you want something that a lot of people don't have, I haven't seen anybody else with one of these. There it is. Alright, man. I got other stuff I need to do. See ya.